Hey everybody, it's Humbullet here. We just bought this John Deere Gator off Amazon. We got it for $113. It was from Amazon Warehouse. I made another video showing you guys how to get cheap car parts and things like that. This is one of the things that we got. It's normally $200. Got it for $113. I'm gonna put it together and I'll let you guys know what it's like. Showed that it had heavy damage on the front and the top, but it looks like it's just the packaging. Everything looks pretty good, maybe a small scuff, but it just was listed as acceptable. So far it doesn't look like it was ever put together. It looks like it's in really great shape. So I got the Gator put together and it's kind of underwhelming. It just has one motor on the back. And there's a spot for another one, but it doesn't come with it. Oh, you're stuck. Okay. Here. Alright, try to go now. Oh no, you're stuck again. Okay. Turn your wheel and go back to the garage. Because we're going to put the new motors on it. So there's only one speed, and there's forward and reverse. But what I got is I bought two new motors here, and I'm gonna try and put them on. And if everything works the way I think it should, I will show you guys what I did and how to do it yourself. Alright, so I installed the new motor. You can see that's the old one. And this is 6 volts. And I'm going to try running 12 volts to it. So it looks like in here it's got a few different notches. That's okay, bud. Don't worry about it. It's just in the garage. So we got a couple different notches for where we can put a bigger battery. It has different steps to where the height of the battery will sit. And we might still be able to use this. So I'm going to try a different battery in it. That's a 12 volt. So what we're going to do is unhook it right here. And the motors I bought came with this. And it comes with a high speed and low speed controller. So what I'm going to do is mount that somewhere. I'm going to cut it out and maybe run it under here and mount it where the forward and reverse is. But basically that's going to give me my wiring for both motors. And this plugs in, and this was like 30 bucks on eBay. Yeah, bud. We don't have snow. So it's going to plug in right here to this one. I'll show you here. Yeah, so just like that, and I'm going to hook the motors up. Alright, so I got the first motor hooked up here. I got it in high speed, and I'm going to test it, pressing the pedal. Looks like it works, so I'm going to hook up the other motor. Since I got two new motors, I'm going to replace that because this is probably a different RPM motor I haven't checked. But I'm going to put that other motor I got in that box right there next to the box. Alright, so I got it off. This is the stock motor here. And you see they use the zip tie. And it says do not remove zip tie unless you're replacing the gearbox. Pull the 6-volt battery out. I got it disconnected here. I got a 12-volt battery. It looks like it's just gonna fit right in there. So maybe they make a 12-volt version of this. But
Yep, Dad.
uh-oh, I dropped the seat. So I'm gonna make a connector here for this new battery, like similar to that.
What?
Then we'll try it. These 2 screws out here. It looks like we're just gonna be able to connect these 2 wires right there to our new battery. All right, let's see what it does. Holy cow. That ain't getting stuck anymore. There. Now you got a good gator. Try to go through the mud. See if it gets stuck. Right there. See if it gets stuck, bud. Go. Go. Oh yeah, there you go. Alright, come back here. Come on, Chan. See, I told you. You thought it was going to get stuck. Alright, turn around. Come back over here and play with Sis. So when we first put this battery in here, it would run for a little bit and then it would trip the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker, I don't know what the amperage was rated at, but for the 6-volt, it was maybe 5 amps. So the circuit breaker is going to have to go. And I just installed this 15 amp fuse just with a fuse holder and put it right in here with heat shrink connectors, and it's good to go. He's been riding it all day and it's ran pretty good, so